I don't know what reincarnation I was. I've grown so much, stumbled by chance, be greeted by joy, make mistakes, accompanied by confusion, experience failure, or guess at by luck. Sometimes I lost and trapped in taking errors. One of them is taking care of others. It isn't an easy journey. Back to being more attentive to yourself. Some people say love is give and take, but I think my energy was misplaced there, thinking more about what I can take from others, even I have given to other people. It has closed the circulation of good energy from giving, randomized the art of the beauty of giving. See reaction that aren't necessarily happy, but confused and surprised. As simple as expecting others to be happy over me, that's not my task. That's a bonus. I should have remembered it, but I usually forget that part. This is so funny to say, however, I happily declare that I want to retire. I'll take care of myself.